Local councils are facing a growing problem maintaining sporting fields. With community sport played all year round, keeping the grass green is about more than just looks.
There's one thing more important than batting order, and that's the pitch.
The last thing you would want to see in a cricket outfield is a ball rolling up and hitting somebody.
Maintaining the 80 hectares of grass across the city of Bayswater is no easy task.
Spring, summer, autumn, winter, there's always something to do.
Community playing fields cop a battering.
They play footy in the winter, although Tom plays soccer, Sam plays AFL, and then they play cricket in summer.
Sport's one of the leading causes of children's injuries that result in a trip to the hospital. So, maintaining grass is not just about aesthetics.
It's got to be safe. It's got to be level.
Keeping kids active is so important, and maintaining the playing field, so making sure there are no potholes and that the surfaces are all even, is a really easy and cost-effective way to reduce injuries and keep kids active.
With many sports extending the length of both pre-season and season fixtures, finding time is the critical issue when it comes to turf maintenance.
You've got winter sports running into summer sports, lots of people are getting out and about, and we find that the best thing we can do is help our local councils with some really good composted products that actually make the soil healthy, which grows a healthier grass.
Keeping the grass not just greener, but safer. Gemma Veroni, 7 News.